Close your eyes and imagine a world where tranquility and wellness are just a breath away. Welcome to our sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. But what if you could carry your sanctuary with you wherever you go? Introducing our mobile app. Access a wealth of yoga classes, guided meditations, massage collections, and self-care techniques right at your fingertips. Create your own oasis of peace, anytime, anywhere. Download our app to embark on a path of tranquility and self-discovery. Your journey awaits. Namaste. Hi PsycheTruth fam, my name is Sinah and welcome to today's beginner lower body Yogalates workout. Today's workout is our first from our Fit for Summer series. So when you're ready, grab your water bottle, roll out your mat, and let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video right now, please save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started in a comfortable seated position. Once you arrive at this moment, take a deep breath in through your nose to lengthen your spine. And on your exhale, start by closing your eyes. Let's take another deep breath in, filling up our entire body with air. And on our exhale, start releasing any tension in your body. One more breath, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, let go of any distractions going on in your mind, in your body, or in your surroundings. Come back to your regular breath. Today's intention is going to be to let go of any distractions or resistance that is pulling your energy away from this present moment. And to gift yourself these next 10 minutes to just be present with your soul on your mat. So take another deep breath in through your nose, filling every single corner of your body with beautiful air. And on your exhale, let go of any resistance or distractions. When you come to the bottom of your exhale, simply put a warm smile on your face and open your eyes. Fabulous job. We're going to go ahead and start our warm-up by coming into a downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in through your nose as you plug in your belly button towards your spine and send your chest towards your quads as much as possible. Exhale, try to send your heels down to your mat. Find some stillness in this pose and take another deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Remembering our intention to be present throughout this practice and let go of any resistance or distractions. One more breath right here at your own pace. Excellent job. On your next inhale, go ahead and bring your right foot to the outside of your right hand for a nice hip stretch. We're just going to sway our body forward and back for 5, 4, 3, you got this, for 2. Last one. Come into a wide-legged forward fold and shift your weight to the other side. And shifting our weight forward for 5, 4, you got this, for 3, 2, last one. Coming through a wide-legged forward fold onto our right side once more. Simply allowing your body to sway forward and back, allowing your hips, your joints, your legs to open up, allowing every single muscle in your lower body to awaken. Transfer through a wide-legged forward fold. So throughout this sequence today, we're not really going to be using our knees at all. So this is a knee-friendly workout. If you have any sort of knee injury, don't worry about it because there will be no pressure on your knees at all. This is why we're hovering our knee off of the mat right here. However, if you feel like your knees are perfectly healthy, there's always the option to allow your knee to come down into the mat as you sway forward and back. Last time on this left side. For 3, 2, 1. Coming back into a wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, coming into halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Excellent job. Now we're going to go ahead and come to lay on our side. So simply use your right hand for support for your head, and then you can place your left either in front of you or just laying on your waist, whatever is most comfortable to you. We're going to bring in that right leg into a 90-degree angle, and our left is going to go directly above, just floating. Take a deep breath in through your nose as you lengthen from your ribs so that you're not collapsing onto your mat, but rather lengthening above it. Exhale, point your toes and lengthen your entire leg right above it. It's hovering off of the mat. And we're just going to start by engaging our lower body with some leg raises. So come with me for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. You got this. Keep moving your leg up and down. Noticing the engagement on your outer part of your leg from your glute all the way down to your toes. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Hover your leg. Now we're going to go ahead and join our knees together and lift our toes off of the mat. And we're going to open our knee up and down like a clam for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. You got this. For 8, 7, 6. Focus. Can you open a little bit further? Can your knee go a little bit further back? Challenge yourself for 3, 2, 1. Hold right here. Now we're going to do some micro pulses, opening our knee back as much as possible, pretending like there's a soccer ball at our feet and we're trying to kick it forward. Come with me for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. These micro pulses are such a small movement, but they're so effective. So really try to hit that soccer ball further for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop that knee, drop your feet. Bring that upper knee close to your chest. Open and drop. We're doing some clam circles for 12, 11, 10, 9. You got this for 8, 7. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth for 4, 3. My leg is already shaking. 1. Drop that knee. Lengthen that leg once more, and we're just going to go for some leg circles. Come with me for 15, 14, 13, 12. Imagine like you're painting half a rainbow with your leg. So you're starting from the corner, painting that rainbow, and then dropping it back. Yeah, give me 8 more. 7, for 6, 5, 4,
This is a challenging movement for sure. For 3, 2, last one. Yes, you can. And drop that knee. And with your wrist, just go ahead and tap all around your glute area to release any tension. And just press up to a downward facing dog once more. Stay right here in your downward facing dog. I'm going to transfer sides just so that you can see me better. And when you're ready, come back to lying on your side. Now with our right leg above. So bend that left knee on the mat to a 90-degree angle. And we're going to start with those leg raises for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Can you kick higher? For 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Drop your knee, lift your toes, and let's go for clams. For 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You might notice that this leg is a little more challenging than the other, and that's only because we used it as our stabilizing leg on the other side, so it got in a little bit more of a workout than our left leg did. Now hold that knee open and kick that soccer ball for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. You got this. Kick it further. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and move on to those clam circles. We're not resting our knees just yet. We're noticing how our glutes are feeling, our legs are feeling after this workout. And we're dedicating these last few minutes to moving our body. For 8, 7, 6, in 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Drop that knee, lengthen that leg, and let's paint those rainbows. Yeah. So bring that knee in and then up. And with our toe, we're painting that rainbow. Here we go for 10. Can you make that rainbow even bigger? For 8, 7, 6, in 5, 4, yes you can, for 3, 2, last one. Drop that knee, give a nice pat to release any tension, and then we're slowly going to come into a comfortable seated position. Now just to release this outer area of our leg, we're going to go ahead and place our foot on top of our knee. Take a deep breath in as you lengthen your arms high to the sky. Exhale, dive both of your hands to the mat. Inhale right here. Exhale, let everything go. One more breath. Deep breath in right here through your nose. Exhale, surrender. Excellent job. Walk both of your hands in. Inhale, hands come high to the sky. Exhale, bringing them to heart center. Go ahead and change your foot. So now placing your left foot on top of your right knee. Inhale, send both arms high to the sky. Exhale, bring them to heart center. Deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, walk both of your hands forward right here to the mat. 3 deep breaths right here. Can you walk your hands a little bit further down? Last one. Walk them in. Inhale, hands come high to the sky. Exhale, bring them to heart center. Coming back into a comfortable seated position. Deep breath in through your nose. Thanking your body, your mind, and your soul for dedicating these last 15 minutes to yourself. Putting a warm smile on your face and opening your eyes. Namaste. Thank you so much for moving with me. Please download our Yoga Plus app for further movement classes. If this class served you in any way, please follow me on my Instagram account at Sinah for further movement and mindfulness content.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth. Available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.